everyone, so today's video is on how to look good in just jeans and a t-shirt, so I really hope you like it and let's get into it. So I think the first and most important point to mention is that you need to make sure that you're comfortable in the t-shirt and jeans you're wearing. You don't want the t-shirt to feel too tight on you, and you should pick one that reflects your style, such as an oversized one if you like that look, or a cropped one if you think that'll flatter you best. It's also important that you wear nude underwear underneath it, because most white t-shirts tend to be a little bit see-through, and this will help it look so much more polished. The shoes you pick are also a great way to dress up your plain outfit and take it from day to night. So you could wear a pair of heels to make the outfit into a nighttime look, like these strappy ones. I'll link everything I show in this video in the description if you want to buy anything. Adding a pair of statement shoes too with lots of pattern on, like these leopard print ones, can just make it look so much more interesting. A pair of black knee-high boots can quickly dress up this outfit into more of a nighttime look again, and yet you can so easily dress the look down with a pair of trainers. There are just so many easy ways to change up your look just by changing your shoes. You can also do little hacks like rolling up your jeans or your sleeves just to make the outfit fit you better and flatter you more. I also really like to tie up my t-shirts, so all I do is gather up the bottom into a ponytail position and then wrap a clear hair elastic around it like you would a bun in your hair. You can also do the same at the back of the t-shirt too. I just think it makes it look so much more interesting, and it's such an easy way to make a basic outfit look so much cooler. I actually have a hack video on little tricks you can do like this, so I'll link it at the end of this video. Jackets are another way you can style just a plain t-shirt and jeans, and by adding different jackets you can achieve completely different looks for different occasions. You could style this look with blazers, leather jackets, suede jackets, denim jackets. It's such a versatile look to build on. I just really love jackets. I don't know if you can tell, I've said the word jacket so many times now, but you get what I mean. They're just such an easy way to dress up a plain look. You can also mix the jackets with your footwear too, so for example a casual look would be a denim jacket and the trainers, and then for a more dressed up look it could be the suede jacket and a pair of heels. Adding lipstick is another way you can dress up jeans and a t-shirt. By adding a colour like a red lip, it can really take it from a day to night look, especially with the jeans and the jacket as well. Styling your hair can also have the same effect. I have loads of hair tutorials on my channel, so if you're stuck, just take a look at my videos. But again, it's such an easy way to change up a plain outfit. Accessories like sunglasses I think can also really dress up an outfit too and make it look so much more chic, as well as things like necklaces, bracelets and earrings. It's such a simple tip, but it can make such a difference to your look. So that is it everyone, I really hope you liked this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Did this video help you? Would you like to see more of these? And please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did like it, because it helps me out so much. And yeah, have a great day, and I'll speak to you all in my next one. Bye guys.